Look at these trees. Natural Bridge, Kentucky, and Red River Gorge. We're hiking with my youth group church people.
Hey, how y'all doing? We're at gonna hike Natural Bridge here with these losers back in the back, and then we got our fearless leader, Sizemore, Reverend Sizemore. That's right. Some might not make it back home. We don't know. Hopefully it's Aaron or Carter.
What? I'm gonna catch you.
A bear might accidentally get him. Nice little body of water here. Too bad we can't go swimming. Losers.
Right now.
I mean, I'm in cargo shorts, but I'll go nude and jump in.
No.
Skinny dip, man. I'm like a young Michael Jordan. Here's this loser, Sloan, again. Have fun.
Hey, that's mean. Let me see it.
Oh no, I gotta get up.
It was raining right before we got here, and I'm wearing white shoes because I'm an idiot like that, you know?
I am too though, so it's okay.
Yeah. Ben was a smart one with the Chacos.
He did that on Monday, so.
I wore white shoes on Monday.
Oh my gosh.
Everyone now.
I almost fell over.
Keep doing it. Go stop.
We're here at Red River Gorge.
Chris, you're a hoe.
With the boys.
It's Natural Bridge.
With the boys.
Why are you wearing blue? Why are you wearing blue?
Okay, we're starting the hike. Come on, guys, catch up.
Let's go.
No, we're not running.
This is my cousin.
Yeah, I'm great.
We're. Wait, there's a parking lot right there.
Yeah.
Why do we have to walk up all those stairs?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, I know. On a scale of 1 to 10, how tired are you guys?
I'm fine. Chris over here is dead.
At least a 9.
I'm a 0 because beasts don't take rests.
I'm a negative 20.
Behind scenes, Sloan is panting right now.
Sloan is actually dying. He's out of breath. This isn't even Sloan. This is a lookalike. Sloan's not even here. He can't even do it.
Vlog never stops. That's Carrie Gosky, that's Tatum. So what's up? Say what's up. Are you guys subscribed?
Yeah, I am.
Sweet.
I actually am.
Nice. Yeah, that's right.
Hey,
Hey,
don't mess with my friend.
what's up? What's up, Colin?
That's my buddy. Don't mess with him, Sloan.
Hey, he's my bud too. Brick time. What's up, Aaron?
Stop asking stupid questions.
Oh, close enough. Yeah, goals, cake. Come on, guys, just push your limits. Let's go.
This is called natural selection. All the weak need to be cut
Never
off.
be famous.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's a big sack.
That's the largest
Just put your mouth in the hole. Sloan, it went black.
Follow me, guys. It's right up there, guys. Come on. Come on, Christopher. Let's run up there. Oh gosh.
Yeah, you are.
There's mud all over it. This is cool though.
Hurry up.
Oh my gosh.
Sloan, hurry up. Go.
This is harder than it looks. It's right up there. We gotta go up there.
Wait, hold on.
Here, you go first. You go first.
Gotta get the Rocky. Bum, 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 bum.
Wait. Okay, add in music now. Yeah.
Man, that's very natural.
Oh man, We made it. We're at the top of the thing. Oh, dang it. We made it, guys. Wait. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
You're supposed to do that with the background, not with the...
Oh yeah, wait.
Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up.
I'm gonna add in music, okay. This is amazing. Isn't this beautiful?
No. The sky looks over here.
Chris, isn't this beautiful? No, it fucking sucks.
Alright guys.
You guys are lame.
Yeah, see the tripod will stand in it.
Oh gosh. Picture time.
Right there. Right where Chris was at. Get off of me, Carter!
Hey, no purple.
Awesome, thanks, Chris.
The GoPro's down.
I'm not moving.
It's kind of hard taking a picture around the puddle, but it's fine.
We made it work.
By Natural Bridge. Okay, we're gonna go to like, isn't the next spot called like Lover's Leap, right?
So you can jump off.
I wish I had a lover. It's just so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Isn't it just so beautiful? Okay, Aaron, thanks. I appreciate.
You're so beautiful.
Thanks, Matthew. I appreciate that, you know?
No.
What the heck? Hold down the hill to get back.
What?
Could have taken this.
Yeah, one day I want to actually like do this, like use this.
I know.
That would be fun, wouldn't
It helps with the perspiration.
She wants it to be in it, or I think she did at
I'd
least.
be a star.
Yeah, that's Ashley. Ashley, and that's Emma. Friends since day one, you know?
Yeah,
Day freaking one.
we had that relationship.
Yeah, like one. The first day of life. Because you know our parents are friends.
Yeah, friends.
Yeah.
Not by choice.
Yeah, not by choice. I'm just kidding.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Carrie! I have to have hope. I have to have hope. I have to have hope. I have to have hope.
Oh gosh. This is just so pretty, isn't it? It's so pretty.
It's God's world, man.
Okay, I'm gonna cover my eyes like this, and then when we get up there, I'm gonna open it, and it's gonna be like cool, you know? Okay, go.
Slow, straight!
Oh my gosh. This is amazing, isn't it? Hey, look, I'm gonna slide down this like a kid. Ow.
Now we're up at Lover's Leap.
Hey, we're both vlogging.
Like it.
Keep up the good work, Justin.
Oh, we'll do Wonder.
Isn't this beautiful?
This is not English.
Okay, she's been on Hiking Vlog 6.
Wait.
Hiking Vlog 6.
Hi, Sloan's. Welcome to Sloan's vlog. I'd like to introduce the new band. Shelby and the Pussycats. We're from Riverdale. It's no big deal.
I play
Emma,
the guitar.
Madeline,
She
Shelby.
plays the
I thought you guys were the Sweeties.
That's another
We're
band.
the Sweeties and the Pussycats.
We'll do a little intro song for you.
Okay, wait.
A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. This one's for the boys and the boomers. This is top down AC with the cool. And we're off. That's all you're getting. Join us next time on the vlog.
Okay.
When's
your guys' first concert?
What's today? June 1st? May 31st?
May 31st.
May 31st.
It'll be airing
31st.
June 18th
May 31st.
at Passport. Catch us then.
See you then.
After all the steps.
Danville, North Carolina.
Danville? I thought it was.
It's in Greensboro.
I mean, no, Greensboro, North Carolina.
He'll edit it out later.
Yeah, edit it out.
CC right now. There you go.
There we go, part 3.
Oh my gosh.
Behind the scenes. Behind the scenes. Your nose is so bulk right now.
And then I think
Okay,
Let's look up his nostrils right now.
There's some people like Haley Gadd actually walk up to me and lick my camera. Look it.
I don't know if I want to.
Okay, cool transition now. Look how natural these stairs are. Laugh at my joke again.
And then you go to like your
freestyling.
My name's Chris Todd. They say I'm very odd. Then they see my rod and they call me a god.
He's
I'm
got
not
a nice
done
bod.
yet. I'm from Lafayette. We won that, but not really because we lost that. Talking about football.
He likes to wear his Yeezys. They feel nice and breezy.
Can someone give me a beat? We're out here at Red River Gorge. I'm with my church fam, and we're out here hiking. Because, yeah.
Look out!
Oh hey, God.
Oh hey!
We're about to finish the hike
We're going to get some pizza.
at Miguel's.
Yeah, this is real freestyling. You know how we do out in Kentucky, us white people, spitting hot fire.
Out here,
We lost.
out here. Chris, do another one.
Man, I see a tree. Man,
I'm
I'm
paid
feeling
off.
free.
Stretching out my flows like my clothes. Got nice shoes on, but not really. I got them from Payless. That's
The real
bad.
The real.
That's really bad.
Okay, I'll go for round 2. Let me think about what I have to say though.
Mix up the beat. Then get the beat.
Someone give me a beat.
Matthew on the beat.
Look at these trees. They're cool. Green and brown. And okay, I'm done here. I'm done.
We're making a music video, Justin.
Remember, we're white.
Look at this bridge. I love bridges. Oh, look at a creek right there. And the hike is over. Woo! We here, fam. We're at the Mojos.
How close are you to that funnel? Or tractor?
Okay, I know this place looks sketch, but it is so freaking good. Okay, Chris, what are you?
I'm a hooper. Check me out, CDT_hooper on the page.
Hi guys. Oh yeah. Oh nice. Oh. I'm Baller Bill and I'm a baller. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're not getting
Shooting like Chris Summer. Pizza! This pizza smells amazing.
That's yours.
Smash.
Yeah, honestly.
They didn't let you
Nice.
in?
No.
That was a silly thing that happened.
Smash. Yeah, we smashed that
We're gonna do
pizza.
a bar fight and
No rules. Woo!
I did 0 steps today. Surprise.
My GoPro's about to die, so
763
thanks for
calories.
watching. Like and subscribe. See you all tomorrow.